Okay guys, let's say that you have desired length of your bracelet or necklace. Now you have to start, so this is your spiral part, your peyote part. So we have here 12 beads in the spiral part. So we have to start to decrease the number of beads in the spiral part toward the clasp. And decreasing, so we are not decreasing the peyote part, only the spiral part. And the decreasing is going to go from this bead after F bead further on. So the first bead what we are going to eliminate is this E bead. Actually the first bead what we added in our spiral at the beginning. Now we are going to rid of that bead. So how that looks like, and like that until the end. And then we are going to do decreasing in order to make that piece even more narrow for the clasp. So this, now I'm going to pretend that I am done with my bracelet, and now I have to start with decreasing. Okay, then E through F. So pull. Now I'm going to pick up one F. I'm going to eliminate this E bead, so I'm going to pick up immediately four G beads, then 3 E's, 2 D's, and 1 G, and pass through the first added A in this round. Continue like this until you have decrease all the beads in the spiral part. So in each row you will decrease from 1 bead, and at the end you will have only this peyote part with 1 F bead from the beginning. Continue like that, and then see you in the next lesson. Hi guys, I finished my decreasing. My spiral is gone. The last bead I added is F bead, and now I'm going to explain the other way how to do decreasing and close this hole before you attach the clasp. In the tutorial is one way, and here I'm going to use the same way I explain you how to do decreasing in peyote stitch. So our thread exits through A bead. Pick up 1A and pass at once through the next 2 up B beads. Pull the thread tight. Our thread exits through B. Pick up B and pass at once through the next B and C bead. Pull the thread tight. Pick up C because our thread exits. So we are still following the pattern, and pass through D and E at once. Okay, pick up 1E and pass through F and A at once. One row finished. Now we are going to do more. Pick up 1A and pass through the left B. Okay, now pick up B and pass through C. And finally, pick up C and pass through E. I will stop here and use those beads, F2 A's and this E, for clasp. Before that, I'm going to pass through all those beads once again through A, and here I will pass through C and E. So now here we can use also, we can use this one, or we can use this C. Let's go and exit through this A bead here. You can also add this type of clasp here, but let's add now magnetic clasp. Okay, pick up what color we want to take now. Let's take those E's. Pick up 2 E's, pass through the clasp, pick up another 2. So your thread exit through on this side. You're going to pass through this C on this side, also in that direction, and pull the thread tight. Pick up 2 E's, pass back through the clasp, and pick up again 2 E's and pass back through A bead. So from this was the first one, but now we are passing back through those 2. Pass few times up and down through these beads on the clasp and around. Secure the connection and sew your thread into your work, and your bracelet, the clasp is finished. On the other side you do the same. You take off the tail thread from that stopper bead, and then just close this hole and attach the clasp, and your bracelet is finished. So congratulations, you have a beautiful bracelet, and you learn another stitch variant, actually the variation of tubular peyote stitch. See you in the next lesson.